There's two directions that your enterprise AI could go. One of them is that it's a standalone app. You go to the AI. This is what we have now, where there's a chatbot that you go to and you start typing to it and it integrates with all your various systems and brings it there. The other option is that it becomes a feature of other pieces of software you have. You can think of this like search is now. We don't really even think about it, but every app has search built into it. So you go to your email, you go to your, purchase requisition creating and approving thing, and search is built into that. You don't go to a search bar and interact with your apps that way. Now, how would you put AI into the enterprise? Is it going to be a feature or a standalone app? I don't really know, but I would probably say it's going to be a feature. What that means is that if you're looking for your AI strategy, it's not that you just install an AI, but you're thinking about how you would apply it to all the existing apps you have, how you add it into those apps, how you build applications around AI, not just have the AI chat thing in your enterprise. It probably also means that a lot of whatever your AI strategy is based on how you're managing the data and the flow of things. All that kind of excruciatingly boring back-end stuff and not the sizzly stuff in the UI. But having that kind of foundation of your own proprietary, secret, cool data that you can draw on is probably a lot of what it means to actually have an AI strategy. Now, of course, to sell it and show that it's valuable, you need apps on top of it. So while you're doing all that excruciatingly boring stuff on the back end, you also need to be thinking about how you can add AI functionality to the existing apps you have, and maybe even come up with some new apps that you developed on top of it. But again, I think what's going to make enterprise AI valuable are the applications, the apps that you build on it, not only the thing itself.